1. Clean.
Oh, what's up?
She said, nah.
High five.
Are you pal? Boom. Boom. Boom.
Try it. I just want to see your genuine reaction. Oh, hey, easy, easy.
When I say it has torque, like, it has some torque. That's insane.
That's insane, yeah?
It doesn't even feel like an e-bike anymore.
It's like the torque, it has like a power band, it feels like, huh?
Yeah.
Like it's,
you like
it's
take
smooth.
off, and it's like, whoa.
It's like smooth, and then all of a sudden it's like, yeah, and then it starts like lifting, huh?
Dialed. So, Butters has got his 110. He has a Sur Ron. I got my Sur Ron. We're gonna do 110 versus Sur Ron. I'm gonna put my mode, because I have the modes now, the BAC 4000 and the 60 volt. I'm gonna put it in the mode that's like, let's drag race, and I'll put it like equivalent. And then we'll get on the track and get it going. We're here at Nick's house.
When's the last time you rode a 110?
It's been a while.
Since we have the Sur Rons, I feel like these don't ever get touched. I don't even have my 110 anymore. My 110's been gone for like, what, like 2 years now?
It's been a while.
Probably.
Yeah. He has BP in his bike. Comment down below who you think's gonna win. I think the Sur Ron's gonna win because it's electric, so it's instant torque, and the 110s. I'm gonna hop on the 110 too. I can't even ride 110s anymore because I'm so used to the geometry of the e-bike. Set it in level 5. So we'll do some drag races and then we'll get it. Dude, I think I'm gonna be able to like make all this stuff on the Sur Ron, believe it or not, with how much power I have now. Yeah. Thing is so good. How is that thing riding with the motor now? Does it feel weird or no? You're used to it?
I'm like used to like that, like torque, but like I'm coming out of these corners waiting for the torque to pop, but it's not popping.
Dude, I'm dead serious. I think on our Sur Rons we'll be able to make like a majority of these doubles.
Dude, this thing I'm hitting like second.
Are you hitting this?
Just to the top.
Oh my gosh. OJ. This thing is so fast, it's hard to like gauge stuff sometimes. Is this thing just pulling?
It gets me on acceleration, but I'm kind of catching on the straight.
I'm gonna try to hit this section right here.
Dude, that double off's kind of hard.
It is, it's like wide open. Clean. Whoa. Mode 6 and 5 is what I've been running. I haven't even put it in mode 9. If I put it in mode 9, I'll probably literally triple that thing. I'm not trying to break my bike. Like, yeah, it has all that power and it can go fat, but like this stuff is like not meant to go that big, I feel like.
Where's your front brake?
It's gone.
Dude, it's so different. The geometry. Whoa!
I
know, it's so fast.
Wow.
Let's get a drag race. Butter's bike has a throttle body and exhaust, so it's like, I guess, it's like a stock mod. This, I would give it a full-blown mod, to be honest. I'm in mode 9. Okay, so this one, don't try to give me any lead, like just try to beat me straight up. All right, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
You had a good run at it in the beginning.
I had a good jump.
Let's go back. Let's go back. 3, 2, 1. There we go. That gives a good run on the start, believe it or not.
Good.
And then as soon as it like hits this like power band looking feeling thing, and then it just takes on.
It's like as soon as you click second or third, you're gone.
2-lap race, baby. 110 versus
Big board.
Big boy Sur Ron, if that's what you want to call it. I'm gonna go in mode 6, so it's like somewhat close.
3, 2, 1.
Butter just ripping. I'm gonna let him by. Keep her going. Oh, is he gonna hit it? Hit it! Dude, these things are just too fast.
That was sick.
That was mode 6 too. That was fun as hell.
That was awesome.
Hey, I literally didn't think I was gonna double that, and I was like, I'm just gonna hit it anyway, dude. And I just hooked over it real quick.
Woo, that was fun. I saw you hit this whole line. I was like, well, he just got me.
Yeah, you can hit this for sure. Yeah. Butters hit this first double right here. He's thinking about hitting this second one, so let's see if he actually sucks up and does it. Let's go, big dog. Yeah, clean. Oh, oh, oh! Hey, is your collarbone good? Is your collarbone all right?
Yeah. Ow, fuck.
Oh my gosh, that was dirty. What hurts? Your shoulder? You think it's good?
Hopefully, it's my bad one, so hopefully.
You got dirt all over you. Dude, just take a breather. There's no coming back from Swap City on the 110s, dude.
Oh, I don't know.
Dude, you actually got out of it pretty good. Like, you slid more than, like, slam.
Ah, shit, dude.
You good? No?
Yeah, hopefully.
That's your bad one, too? What are the odds of that, bro? You came off that first one a little sketchy, huh? And you still went for it?
Yeah, it just wasn't enough pop, and there's like a buckle at the top.
Full face next time?
Shit. Oh, I bent my brake.
We could bend that back, that's easy. It was going so good too, it was so fun.
Grip's actually not too bad. Scratched up the graphics a little bit. I think the only damage you really did is your brake here.
And my body.
Yeah. And your body. I guess that's what people say, don't ride in shorts. Dude. Look at us. Look at us riding in shorts, and you're in the tank top. You're not even in a normal shirt.
Dude, not it.
The first one was a little bit sketchy, and you still went for it, and there was just like
yeah,
no pop.
I think I should have clicked up or something, or just
Preloaded harder.
Oh no, it's like I was gonna land on top. Like I was just gonna go as fast as I could, but I don't think there's enough pop in that lip to get all the way over on 110.
Buddy, that would have been a visor and a half. You're right. I would have took out a visor.
Got a little bit of blood right there. We're good.
Do you?
Yeah. What is
From
that?
What?
Maybe I don't know. Likes, Zay's gonna become a mini dad.
100,000 views on the TikTok. Butters comes back, redeems himself on the 110.
On the 110.
It was? I told you,
Yeah.
yeah. Actually, you probably would have got screwed if it was 5 hours and you didn't. Like, look how much dirt you
Dude,
still
look
have.
at his. I know, but look at his collarbone.
Well, it was
definitely
broken. It was broken literally
But
last
did it
week.
look like that?
A little bit.
Yeah.
We're good.